Hello traders, before going into the market details, I would like to let you all know that we have a webinar on 10th of July. The webinar is about algo trading, which will be conducted by Mr. Pandya, founder of Quantman algo trading platform. Plus, whoever attends the webinar will be given a free backtesting credit of 300 rupees. So if you want, you can join the webinar, for which the link is on the description below. The webinar is planned on 10th of July. I think it's a Sunday. You will be able to see the recorded Q&A session and video also. Now looking at our markets, as usual, the markets were volatile, moving up and down. Bears were trying to close below 15,700, and it was finally bulls who took the market to, I think, 15,880 levels. While Nifty was performing, Bank Nifty was not for most of the trading session flat. It was not even able to close above yesterday's low of 33,740 levels. One possible reason could be Reliance Industry. It was up by 1.5% because of change in board members. Apart from that, markets are and will continue to be choppy or volatile. Traders and investors are waiting for US GDP data, which is going to be out tomorrow 6 p.m. India time. Even though it doesn't have any significance, market participants are expecting something else. Market participants are expecting, if the GDP comes out below market expectation, Fed may slow down the interest rate hike. Last time US economy contracted negative by 1.5%. So we don't know what is going to be the outcome tomorrow. Till then, we will have to wait and watch. Anyway, we have our own problem. Indian rupees hit a all-time low of 78.9, and we are just closing our eyes and following the US market. That Indian rupees hitting all-time low will widen our current account and trade deficit in our economy. Plus, FIIs continue to sell, continue to dump Indian shares. That's how crap we are. We are nothing more than that. That's what I am trying to say here, and many people don't mistake me. As I told earlier also, we are just following the US market, nothing more. And today also, FIIs have sold for around 1,244 crores and DIIs have bought for 1,205 crores. Right now, I will tell you what is going to happen. The reason why FIIs why FIIs have slowed down their selling spear is, like, on an average they sell between 3,000 or 5,000 crores. Let's say 2,500 to 3,000 crores. Now, if they have sold less, means they are just waiting for the US GDP data. Once that data is out, maybe they will again hit the sell button hard, and I'm sure they will sell more in the coming days. That's what we see. But market dynamics are different. Different people think different things, and let's hope for the best. That's what I can say. Nothing much. We'll have to wait and see. And I'll also remind you, I am sure many people will remember last trading session, last expiry. You know what happened to the market. Nifty alone moved more than 600 points in one trading session, and Bank Nifty moved more than 1,200 or 1,400 points in one trading session. So if possible, tomorrow evening is the GDP data. If possible, close all your position tomorrow itself. Don't go into expiry, and whatever you might have earned, or markets were kind of consolidating for last 1 week. I wouldn't say we had one gap up also. So it's better to avoid the expiry, and this one is also a monthly expiry. So be careful. Better, if you have any position, square off all your position tomorrow itself, right? And looking at this open interest data also, what we can see is, if we see Nifty monthly expiry, that is weekly expiry and monthly expiry. that is going to happen day after tomorrow. We are seeing 16,000 aggressive call, that is around 9.9 million contracts are still outstanding in 16,000 call option, which means we can see that as a resistance. 16,000 is a resistance. I'm not talking long term, I'm just talking about this expiry. And even if it crosses 16,000, we have 16,200 and 16,300, and on the downside 15,500. And when it comes to Bank Nifty is a whole different ball game. As I've been telling you, 34,000 is a high resistance, and surprisingly what is happening is people are writing 33,500 put options also in Bank Nifty. So we can expect this is very small range, and just one or two more trading session. Today is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, only two more trading session. If the market closes between Bank Nifty closes between 33,500 to 34,000, that is great. Many people believe that is the range, and that's why they have written calls in 34,000 and puts in 33,500, right? Now I will tell you what is going to happen. Whatever is going to happen is already factored in or already anticipated. Now maybe markets may be today, as of now, as I talk to you, I think US markets are in the green. Let me check. US markets are in the green, and SGX Nifty is also in the green. Now what I anticipate is market may be range bound till even tomorrow, and day after tomorrow we will see what is the true color of the market, or where the market wants to go. Anyway, what I see is, as I told you in previous session also, Dow Jones is up by 144, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is in the green, and even Europe is also in the green. Maybe we will see a gap up tomorrow, who knows, right? We'll have to wait and watch if that's what is happening, right? So when our markets closed, US futures were I think in flat. I think it was hardly in the green, or it was flat only. Now it is up by Dow Jones is up by 144. Maybe tomorrow, if this price action continues in the US market, maybe we will gap up tomorrow, and maybe we will sustain this 15,700 also, which is a short term support. We'll see, we'll wait and see, nothing much. That's what I can say, right? If even if it sustains 15,700, 16,200 is there, which is a very big resistance. Okay. Now what I believe is, maybe they will for 2 or 3 trading session, even tomorrow also, maybe FIIs might not sell much. They will wait for GDP data. Once GDP data is going to be out Thursday, they will sell very hard, or they are going to hit the sell button very hard, and markets are going to be choppy or super volatile on Thursday. So that's why I am saying, if you have any position, square off your position tomorrow itself, and have a good night's sleep. Day after tomorrow, we will see what is going to happen. That is a different story, right? So nothing much. Trade safe. Always hedge your position. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.